Today, I'm on a mission to find a Pokemon vending machine. I've seen them online, but never in person. So I did some research and I found out this Kroger has one inside. Let's go. There it is, right near the front. A Pokemon vending machine. But bad news, guys. The set I really wanted, Surging Sparks, Prismatic Evolution, and 151 were all sold out. The only options left were Stellar Crown and Shrouded Fable. I decided to grab a Shrouded Fable Booster Bundle and take it home for the rip. The chase card in this set is the Persian IR, but I would love to pull the Duskull Evolution line illustration rare as well. First pack. Boom! A Dusknoir illustration rare. What a way to start, guys. Let's go. 5 more packs to go, guys. Second pack. A Ogie EX. And then a Petulant EX. Not bad at all. This vending machine hunt was a success, and I'll definitely be back for more. If you love Pokemon cards opening, make sure to like and subscribe so you guys don't miss the next one. See you guys in the next rip.